Exceptional hotel with EV charging. EV has been full on the next morning already. Strategic location located very close to Marlborough, and we get many facilities with affordable price. The breakfast is delicious too. Recommended place to stay in Chagja. I love location of hotel and kind of hotel staff. Recommended place for couple or family to stay in Chagja. Good breakfast, the best breakfast for a good price. Love it here. The most luxurious hotel we have ever stayed at. The staff are so lovely, the room is clean and spacious. Lovely swimming pool. Great breakfast spread. Great location. Spa is fantastic. Love it here so much, would definitely visit again. Staff are so attentive in every way. Exceptional. Great location, food and hospitality. Easy check-in and out. Unfortunately we just stayed for 2 nights. We'll stay more longer in this hotel on the next trip to Yogyakarta. Exceptional staff were friendly and helpful. The breakfast was brilliant, a lot of variety. Excellent service. We were impressed by the Javanese hospitality of the staff. From check-in to check-out, they made sure all our needs were taken care of. Everyone we spoke with was very polite and friendly. Our flight to Bali was early in the morning and they offered breakfast box, choice of fried rice, good egg, or a sandwich, which they had ready at 4 o'clock in the morning. We initially weren't sure about staying in town since New Chagja International Airport, YIA, is over 40 kilometers from the hotel, but turned out there was not much traffic in the morning, allowing us to get there in 50 minutes by a go-car, private taxi. There's also airport train that leaves from station to Gu, as an alternative. We love the hotel's location a lot. It takes 10 minutes to walk to Malioboro Street, and less than 10 minutes to walk to the House of Remington restaurant. There is coffee shops and a post office right next to the hotel. 5 out of 5 rating from us for all aspects. Nice hotel. The location and the food was great as usual. Although the room a little bit old, but well maintained. We'll go back again someday. Exceptional nice hotel located in the city center. Best value hotel in Chagja. I'm sure this is the best value hotel in Chagja. Strategic location, friendly staff, kids friendly, clean room, delicious food, beautiful lobby, lot parking area. I will stay here again if I came back to Chagja. Best service. Hotel service is very good, location is perfect near Tugu and Malioboro. Best hotel with great location. This is my first choice hotel in Yogyakarta. The cleaning of the hotel is perfect, great staff, great location and good implementation of COVID-19 protocols. And of course 5 stars in value for money. Best location. Lokasi YG Strategis, Dekat Dengan Tugu Yogyakarta. Good stay. It's a beautiful hotel in the city center of Chagja. The room is nice and clean. They provided all the basic amenities. The staff's also nice and friendly. Great place to stay. Santika Premiere Hotel is the best value of money in Yogya area. Great location, great facilities, and for me the important things is its breakfast menus. Various selection and all of them have a great taste. Nice hotel, nice location, friendly staff, and the food was delicious. Good. 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 Exceptional hotel with EV charging. EV has been full on the next morning already. Strategic location located very close to Marlborough, and we get many facilities with affordable price. The breakfast is delicious too.